Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to sign up for ShipBob account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in shipbob.com and search. You will now end up in the official website for ShipBob. ShipBob is a company that provides fulfillment services for e-commerce businesses. They essentially store, pick, pack and ship your products to your customers. In order to register for a new account, click on the Create an Account button at the top right corner. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, your business information, email address and much more. Start off by typing in your first name and then type in your last name. Enter your business name in the text box and then enter your phone number, your business website, how many orders are you shipping for a month. Make sure to enter a valid email and create a password for your account. Finally, click on Get Started and you can now go ahead and enter your email address and then your password to log into your account. Click on Login and you will now find yourself in the main homepage. So that is how you will be able to sign up for ShipBob account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.